Then I came out, I lost him behind the barbecue. What are you doing?
Listen, I hope it dies. Making wood.
You're working?
That's it.
That's it?
No, I still help.
Okay.
I'm going on the way. It's four monsters coming. Look, it looks like it's
I'll do your snow angel. But show mommy how you do your snow angel. Snow angel.
Huh?
Go ahead.
Nice. Wow. Poor Jason, he can't come out.
No, dog.
That face first.
I have my
Right.
baby playing. Baby playing. I'm going to take some snow off the hill. What are you doing over there? Oh,
Cleaning off the barbecue? Yeah, look at your dish. On your jacket.
never. I help inside.
You working?
Be like that.
Is that heavy?
It's okay.
It's okay?